this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda BL3 diesel hatch, stock reference number 4597. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R2 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the rear end. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left hand sill skirt, left door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left hand tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, rear spoiler, suit hatchback, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right side skirt, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.